he hints Rukmanjari there inside. Rukmanjari saw them and covered them with one cloth and give them some Amrit Batika, one kind of pills. It makes melt immediate and some juice came in their mouth. Then they get up. Then they don't want to leave from this place. But there is no mean without this. Then Vrinda arranged that cuckoo, peacock, peahen and parrots, they are singing so loudly like nowadays. Then they bound to leave. But what they will do? Yet they don't want to leave. Then Vrinda hints towards sea monkey of Srimati Radha Thakurani named Kakhati. Kakhati Jatila Jatila. Jatila means there are two meanings. Jatila means who make complex of simple thing that she is called Jatila. And Jatila means from Jotajal it called Jatila. Jotajal means rays of sun is coming. So he or she want to say the rays of sun is coming, sun rays is coming very soon. And divine couple think that Jatila is coming. Then they leave each other and Krishna went Nandagram and Radhika went Javar. Sometime when she lives in Barsana, then she lives to Barsana. In the meantime, no Jatila, nothing else, they divided each other. Krishna went to Nandagram and Radhika went to Javar, sometime Barsana. But Krishna promised to Chandravali, the against party of Srimati Radha Thakurani, I shall meet with you. From here, he went to sometimes he used to go Chandravali's groves. But Rukmanjari is so desperate. She followed Krishna where he is going, Nanda Bhavan or anywhere else. Krishna don't used to go every day to groves of Chandravali. Sometimes used to go. Then Rukmanjari told Radhika that he used to go also Chandravali's groves. So Radhika became man and Krishna specify him. When Krishna reached in Nanda Bhavan and Radhika Javat, and early in the morning, Mother Jasoda want to have Krishna. Krishna was so immersed, just like he became so tired due to cow grazing, he don't want to leave his bed. Mother Jasoda called Jogamaya Devi and herself, sometime anywhere, Dhonishta, sometime only Mukhara for there. Sometime only Jasoda Devi and Jogamaya, sometime Dhonishta also. Purnamasi Devi. Yes. Not Nandagram. She used to go. Yes. Purnamasi Devi not used to live in Nandagram, but used to come every day for blessing Krishna. And Mother Jasoda became perplexed. The Mother Jasoda saw that blue cloth of maybe Balaram or anything else. She saw that blue cloth, exchange of yellow cloth in the body, on the body of Krishna. What happened? Why blue cloth today? Oh, it may be that sometime they'll live with each other, Baladev and Krishna. Maybe they exchange this. Then Jogamaya Devi is telling Ramambara, Ramambara. Ramambara means, Ram means, if you disjoin Sandhi, Ramambar. Ram plus Ambar. Ram means Balaram, Ambar means cloth. So this is the cloth of Balaram. Because Balaram used to blue cloth and Srimati Radha Thakurani used to blue cloth. But Jogamaya Devi used to say, Ramambar means, Rama means, who give pleasure to Sri Krishna is Radhika. Her one name is Rama. Ambar means cloth. This is the cloth of Rama means Radhika. But Mother Jasoda, due to parental mood, is thinking that this is the cloth of Baladev Prabhu. In other hand, Jatila and Mukhara and Kotila, they used to have Srimati Radha Thakurani. All Sokis are very odd. When Radhika will get up, they will serve her. Radhika also, they don't know how they change their cloth. Radhika was covered by yellow cloth. When Mukhara saw this and Jotila, they became perplexed. Oh, how this came to here? What is mischief hidden behind this? Then Jotila told, oh, how yellow cloth is coming here? Mukhara told, oh, I know. I have seen this cloth yesterday on the neck of Nandalala. How it came here? Both of them became so furious. Visakha, they had very good relation with Jotila. He snatched Jotila and Mukhara both and entered into the room. And he hints towards Rupmanjari, change the cloth immediate. Visakha is telling that, oh Mukhara, oh Jotila, have you seen that so many clothes hanging here? What is the color of this cloth? Little yellow, because sun rays is coming. When sun rays come, the morning sun, it look like some yellowish color, yellowish. What is yellow? Then Visakha asked, what is the color of your cloth? Look like yellow. And Mukhara's cloth look like yellow. Then Visakha abusing them. I know Radhika is unchaste according to your opinion, so she can meet anywhere else, so his cloth became yellow. But you have become so old age. Where you used to go at night? Why your cloth became yellow? Now I shall announce everywhere in the Braj that you abuse Radhika, but Radhika is chaste. You are unchaste, so you used to go meet anywhere else, being so old aged. You used to go for meeting with Nandalal. This is the proof. They become perplexed. What to do? They want to flee from there. But Visakha tightly cajoled their hand and told, don't worry. This rays is coming. The first sign of sun is like yellow. So it looks like yellow. Not you meet with Radhika, what with Krishna, or neither you or not you. So don't worry. So if you come out, then you can see that Radhika's cloth is no more yellow again. When they came, they saw this is blue. They said maybe our eyesight is become weak, so we saw this as before. When they went away, all Sakhis came and awaking Radhika. Radhika is telling Lalita, oh Lalite, how unfortunate I am. You are so cruel. I love all of you like my heart and soul. But you keep me in danger and went away from here. Oh, Vidata is so kind to me, so merciful to me. Otherwise, my justice will go the last night. Krishna became so tired during cow grazing, she could not touch me. So somehow I became safe. Then Lalita began to laugh. Oh, it is a fact. You are chaste lady. How we can touch you? What to say about you? Nidra Devi, he used to go everywhere because day we work and night we sleep. So Lalita is telling, most unchaste lady in this world is Nidra Devi. What to say about you? Krishna could not touch also Nidra Devi. How we can touch you? You are chaste lady. Lalita want to say that he could not touch Nidra Devi means Krishna never sleep at night. He doing vilas with you, so how we can meet with Nidra Devi? So many things behind this. After that, Lalita, Visakha and Alar Manjari make her work. After that meeting each other in daytime also Radhakund and Surjakunda. So this is a Sanket place. After that we shall go the Sanketeswari Devi and Bhajan Kuti of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So going there, we shall discuss about Gopal Bhatta Goswami, and the marriage place of Radha Krishna is over there. We shall show that place. And going there, Subal Sakha Prabhu and Rasandu, they want to speak something. So, and we shall hear from them. And after that, we shall take some breakfast outside from here. After that, we shall go return to our pavilion. Hare.
क्या दर्शन है प्रभु? जुगमा तो उधर में बैठा है
ना घूमन संकेत देवी है।
कौन सा?
वो संकेत देवी है, ये मनीषा।
गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय गोविंद जय जय। अरे दीदी को उठाओ और तो कभी नहीं उठाता है।
महाराष्ट्र मैं देखूंगा। Yes. I want to look. It's not. Too nice. Stop then I'm following it.
Under guidance of Guru and Vaishnava, we came here, the place of Gaudiya Vaishnava's heart. This place is called Rasasthali. Now we doing parikrama in the Bhajan Kuti of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. He was association of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna Lila. He was Gunamanjari also. So he doing bhajan here of his pastimes, Krishna Lilas. This place is called the Rasasthali. Many times Maharaj came here and explained the many Hari Kathas. I thinking that on of the sprinkle of Maharaj nectar, but I could not express it. But my language is very poor, so I could not express it. What is called the Ras? Ras, that is means not anything. Ras is meant only for the to pleasure to Krishna. Gopis, how they are always seeking how to please to Krishna. So Ras is called the dancing, singing and embracing and many of the Leelas. Our Jiv Goswami comments in his Grantha, Hindu Leela, swaying, Madhupan, drinking the honey, Jaguna Bihar, Jal Bihar, swimming, first time in the Jagunas, and also the many Leelas, that the Leelas is called the Ras Leelas. So here Radha and Krishna and Gop and Gopis, they are meet here and doing many of Leelas. Maharaj described this, the place is very nice, many bamboo trees, many kadambu trees and many tamal trees and many of the sweet fragrance of the flowers. And ultimately Krishna and Gopi's heart are dancing and kakus and peacocks, and they are also dancing, and ultimately the many of these, because everything depend on circumstance. So Ras dance is Krishna doing here in Ras dance. We heard from Guru Maharaj that two types of Ras, and it called Panchati and another Basanti Ras. But Prabodhananda Saraswati Path also described in another type of Ras, that is called the Maharas. So we think that the three types of Ras, Panchayati Ras, Saradiya Ras, and another Basanti Ras, and third Maharas. So Krishna doing here Ras is called the Panchayati Ras. There are the four types of the gopis also assembled here. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Sohit Praksha, Tatastha. Sadhan Siddha, Nitya Siddha, Kaiboha, and many of the parikars of Srutichari, Munichari, they also assembled in this ras. And doing the many of the leelas also here. But here is I am remembering in the first leelas also doing in here. There we have say the Bhajan Kutir of Kunamanjari by Gopal Bhatta Goswami. I hearing the Ananda Lila Maharaj saying Gopal Bhatta Goswami disciple named Srinivas Acharya, and Srinivas Acharya disciple Ramchandra Kaviraj. And one day Srinivas Acharya doing samadhi about 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days is doing samadhi, but not broken his samadhi. And then all the Vaishnavas came here, what have done? Then other Vaishnava told, asked his the disciple Ramchandra Kaviraj. Ramchandra Kaviraj came here in front of his Gurudev and doing pranam. And Ramchandra Kaviraj told all Vaishnavas, don't touch my Gurudev's feet. Hey, Gurudev's body. And I am also doing the samadhi. When I am not come back in my body, so you should protect my body. So then and then Ramchandra Kaviraj do samadhi. In his samadhi, he came here in this place. Where the Krishna and Radha and all gopis are doing the leelas. At first I told the Jal Bihar is according to Ras dance. So at that what they are doing, Ramchandra Kaviraj, his own Manjari form. What is form? Gunamanjari is and it came without in his own form, and is that his Gurudev and all the Sakhis also searching anything. What's happened? Then Ramchandra Kaviraj, after his Gurudev Srinivas Acharya, Srimati Radharani took bath in Jamuna, and she lost her nose ring, and all the gopis they are also searching where is the nose ring, but they could not find out the nose ring. And Ramchandra Kaviraj also searching everywhere, and he saw the nose ring was hanging. There are two of the lotus, and the middle point, the nose ring hanging. Ramchandra Kaviraj took the nose ring, and he at first offered his Gurudev, Srinivas Acharya. And Srinivas Acharya offered to Gopal Bhatta Goswami, that is called Gunamanjari. And Gunamanjari offered to Rupamanjari. Rupamanjari offered to Lalita Devi. And Lalita Devi to take the nose ring in Srimati Raj. So this is the leelas of the many leelas in here. And here is the many dance also, and everywhere. This is the place we come here. And you think this is the Leela Sthal. Maharaj many times describing all the many leelas also here. But the other Vaishnava also, Naveen Prabhu also describing, and everything. Prasant also saying, he is also saying. So many leelas also here. Vancha Karose Kripa Sindhu
all are disciple of Swami. Because all have come by reading his books, reading his cassettes, hearing his cassettes, hearing his glory. Anyhow, I think that no one has been taught by the ISKCON leaders, but I think that they have lost their honor and everything because they don't want to preach real Krishna conscious. I have told so many times, especially once I was glorifying it in Mathura on the day of first Sannyas Day. And I told you the same thing that I explained today in morning. No? Krishnadas got given this thing. Krishnadas Goswami was a Rupanuga Vaishnava. We are Rupanuga Vaishnava. Real Krishnadas Goswami, Ji Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Srila Prabhupada, and Swami Ji, my Gurudev, all they are really Rupanuga. So, he had never come only to establish Yuga Dharma. Very strongly I told you. I told there that he has never come only to establish Yuga Dharma, only to preach Nagar Sankirtan. Anyone, a bogus person also can do Nagar Sankirtan having some money. No harm. They can give some money to anyone and they can do. But it is very rare to know all these facts, Siddhanta, and then to preach this thing. So he has not only come to establish Yuga Dharma, but he came first to give the same message that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave. For whom Rupa Goswami has come. Rupa Goswami जिस काम के लिए आए थे, ये भी उसी काम के लिए आए थे. प्रेम होने पर जो नाम संकीर्तन होता है और साधारण जो नाम होता है, दोनों में आकाश पाताल का अंतर है. प्रेम भी एक तरह का नहीं होता, प्रेम भी बहुत प्रकार का. Prem is not of one kind. Lakhs kinds of and lakhs kinds of Nam Sankirtan of. Some is Namaparat, some is Namabhat, some is Semi-Namaparat. So it has been told. बहु जन्मे यदि करे नाम संकीर्तन तब तो न पाए कृष्ण पदे प्रेम. If a Mayavadi, Sahajiya, Sakhi Pheki, having no Sambandha Gyan, and he chanting name, no Diksha really, and he chanting name, he is doing Sankirtan. In lakhs and lakhs, but he will not have Krishna. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Really Rupa Goswami has it. Ji Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and he has followed. So, when we will chant Tannam Rupa Charitati Sukritananu Kramena Rasana Manasi Nyajya Tisthan Praje Tadanuragi Jananuran Kaluna Ega Adhite Ityupadesha. When we will be in Vrindavan, and we will chant Krishna name in the guidance of Rashik Tadanuragi Jan, who has anurag for couple, divine couple. No? And he will remember all the past times which we are telling here there. And being in Vrindavan, in the guidance of that class of Sadanuragi, Jananugami, and in their guidance. This is the sar and substance, essence of all the teachings. So he is telling like this, that प्रेम नाम प्रचारिते यही अवतार. In third chapter of Adi Lila he has told. प्रेम नाम प्रचारिते यही अवतार, गौर अवतार. Krishna taking the mood and beauty of Srimati Radhika in the shape of Gauranga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaur Sri. Prem Nam Pracharite. For this Prem and Nam to preach, this avatar ascended, descended. Satya yahi hetu, it is true. But he has, but it is Bahiranga. Yeah, out external, outside, not internal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bahiranga, outward, yeah, external, not internal. What is outward, external? The mood of Vishnu, the mood of Dwarkadhish, the mood of Karnarnosai, the mood of Advaitacharya. There he is Mahavishnu. Ram, Nrsimha, Vishnu, Mahavishnu, that is Narayan, even Ram, even Dwarkadhish. Their mood is external, not of Brajendranandan. So, if Swamiji has come only to establish Yuga Dharma, Harinam Sankirtan preaching, and this is his most highest glory, I cannot accept it. Never. And a revolution came in ISKCON. Because they have never heard all these things. Never. And even they can never heard. If he will come in very high class of Vaishnava, they can hear it. Otherwise, never they can. So every revelation come and they pass at once resolution that anyone of ISKCON of devotees, they cannot go to Narayan. Huh? Yeah, everything. Oh, Narayan Maharaj cannot come to ISKCON only. Whether he has established his samadhi there, he has served so much that more than any ISKCON leader. Hema Malini, one of the stars, cinema, what dancer, no good character, having so many husbands. Or she can come, but Narayan Maharaj cannot come. We will fight with Narayan Maharaj. We will try that he should come, enter in our ISKCON temple. And bona fide devotee cannot go there. Murari Babu, Khadjatiya, जानते हो? Khadjatiya. In Vaishnava council, Vaishnava. In Mayavadi, Pakka Mayavadi. In Sahajiya, Pakka Sahajiya. In Smart, always Pakka Smart. Changing. Sometimes doing this in Vaishnava council, and in Mayavadi, he will take like this. And Rudrakshamala he will take. So they are Khadjatiya. So they can come and they will be welcome to there, but not any pure Vaishnava, because they will tell a real thing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are not ready to hear. Certainly some sincere Vaishnavi came from ISKCON, but they were blocked. They cannot again enter in that ISKCON. They will never, we will not take. But they could not do anything. Gradually all these sincere Vaishnavi began to come and to hear all these things. You are so much fortunate to come to this place hearing all these things, otherwise I have never heard in lakhs and lakhs, but I think you are so fortunate to hear all this. They have self-gain, but I have no self. Never. I want to get something, that everything what Swamiji has given. He has faith on me, so I cannot betray him. Never. They can betray. Because he has written in my letter, you have seen all what he has written. So I cannot betray. They can betray. I can. So I am saying all these facts, true facts to you. यही सत्य हेतु किंतु यहाँ बहिरंग to preach name Sankirtan, it is the duty of Advaitacharya, Mahavishnu, a prakash of Mahavishnu, Karnapdishai Vishnu. So he preached like this. He had not come only for this, but as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came himself, Swayam Brajendanandan Shyam Sundar, and he preached Nam Sankirtan, everything from top to bottom, because all incarnations, Prakash Vigraha were in Krishna, all were. So no harm. So Swamiji has cut jungle also of Mayavad Sahajya Safiteki, like my Gurudev, because he took sannyas from our Gurudev. He observed him like Siksha Guru, no harm. Like we all accept Swamiji like Siksha Guru, no difference between. So all like that. So actually he has not come only to preach the mission of Advaitacharya. He has come to preach the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, especially Rupa Goswami. What is that? He is telling now. There are two kinds of prem. One is Bahiranga and other is internal. What Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave to all beings, it was internal, but it was for gaining that internal mood. So it was connected with that. We can tell it external, but really it helps to go in internal. So he cut jungle and established Yuga Dharma. But his internal mood was what that? To give, to expand to, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expand to his mercy. What was that? He is telling all these things. That if name is done, name Sankirtan is done in the guidance of any high class of Vaishnava Rasik and Bhavu, then it will give prem. And it is equal to prem. There is no difference between name and prem. But prem is also of so kind. Aisvarya Premimishi and Madhurya. So here, where there is, perhaps Aisvarya, having some opulence that Krishna is God himself, a supreme personality of God. कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान हैं, ऐसा समझ करके उनके प्रति जो शांत या दास्य प्रेम जो होता है या सख प्रेम होता है, ये ऐश्वर्य मिश्रित, वात्सल्य भी यदि मिला हुआ हो, इवन वात्सल्य. Why he has told like this? This prem, madhurya prem, sakha शांत दास्य सख वात्सल्य अगोचर, दस वात्सल्य नहीं सब ये सब गोचर. इवन दास्य सख वात्सल्य cannot touch this. They can help to some extent. यशोदा मैया, श्रीदाम सुबल आदि सखा और चित्रक पत्रक दास्य लोग, ये कुछ सहायता कर सकते हैं, किंतु उनके अंदर में ये भाव कभी नहीं आएगा. They can have very little. They cannot know the glory of this Madhurya prem. Wait, even Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, Long Manjari, or the Dasis of Manjari, but to tell the Dasis of Lalita Vishakha, they cannot touch the glory, they cannot have. Uddhav was so many months with all the gopis, but he never had a very drop of, a sprinkle of all that thing. कभी नहीं छू सका, ये हो नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि साधन के समय में यदि उनका ऐसे रसिक वैष्णव के साथ में होता तब तो उनमें अंकुर हो जाता है, कुछ लोग हो जाता है. तो साधन के समय नहीं था, वो सिद्ध में अब नहीं होगा, वो अब इधर उधर नहीं बदलेगा, उनका स्वरूपगत हो गया, उनको संभव पर नहीं. इसलिए वी आर सो फॉर्चुनेट दैट इवन उद्धव, सनक सनंदन सनातन, they know all these things, but they cannot be of any of Braja. Even if they want to be grasped there, to touch the lotus dust of Krishna mixed with kumkum, they cannot. उनके लिए असंभव. इसलिए यहाँ कह रहे हैं, हमारे ईश्वर माने अपना के ही ताप्रे में बस आमी ना होई अधीन. Those who know Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna is not controlled by them. He cannot be controlled by Hanuman. He cannot be controlled by even Narad. He cannot be controlled by Uddhav. He cannot be controlled by any of his Dwarka queens, Satyabhama. He will be pleased, no hurt, but never he will be controlled. समझा कुछ? Himalaya is so great, so high, 7 miles high, more than. He can see, but he cannot be a stone, a particle of a stone he cannot be. वो हो नहीं सकते. ऐसे उन्होंने प्रेम को देखा जरी, इतना बड़ा भारी ऊंचा. He saw that, oh, how glorious this Krishna prem is. Gopi prem is glorious, but he could not. But we are lucky that we may be like that. Because they are roaming here and there in Braja. Where? In Bhimakul. We went there. We went to Prem Sarovar. We came to Govardhan. We went to Radha, topest place, and we explained. Now we are explaining all this. So a great may come by this. Uddhav cannot have this thing, that I want to be a gopi. Never. He had done pranam. Bande Nanda Braja Istrinam Padrinam. Also Brahma is glorified. Prajaukasam Janmitram Paramanandam. Aho Bhagyam, like singing. Aho Bhagyam. Nanda Gopa Prajaukasam Janamitram Paramanandam. Purna Brahma Sana. Who is telling? Brahma. Aki Uddhav. He telling that, oh, Purna Brahma Sanatan Krishna. If Gopi are there, they will, oh, can you dance? I will give a laddu to you. They will treat like this. Not like Brahma is saying that, oh, you are Purna Brahma, Para Brahma, not praying. They will pray like this. You are black from outside, inner side. You are cheated. You are so fat, so bad. You are, क्या? ब्रज में सबसे नो अरे जो स्त्रियों पर नजर देता है लंपट. Their most praising is that you are most lumpet in present. Like this. This is their prayer to him. Know that you are Brahma and you are this and that. Never they can do it. Jasoda can do it like this. And all Gopi will tell that if you want to please Srimati Radhika, come up with me and take a dust and you should write Dashkar, that I am servant of Srimati Radhika. They will do one. And by this Krishna's baby flows so hard. He will not want to hear the praise of Brahma. Namo Brahmanya Devaya, Go Brahmana Hitaya. Gopi will hear and laugh. They will clap. So Gopis are in so high. কি বললাম? আরে আমি বললাম যে সে এদেরই মহিমা বুঝে না, রাধারানী বুঝে না, তাহলে ললিতা সাক্ষীর দাসীর ওর মহিমা কি বুঝবে? এইটা বললাম। ও তো ওরা ললিতা সখীর ललिता सखीर अनुगा किंकरी Vinod Hari Chemaya. The Vinod Manjari is telling is like this. So we cannot touch the glory and the lotus feet dust of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur because he is Kamal Manjari. Vinod Manjari, you know? You know Vinod Manjari? Vinod Hari Chemaya? Who is Vinod Manjari? No. I don't want to disclose. Vinod Manjari. মোর পুত্র, মোর সখা, মোর প্রাণপতি, এইভাবে যেই মরে করে শুদ্ধ ভক্তি, আপনাকে বড় মানে আমাকে সমহি, সেইভাবে আমি হই তাহার পতি। He's telling that if anyone is thinking that Krishna is my son, lovely son, ignorant son, he cannot turn his side. I should support him. More Sakha like Subal, Siddham, Madhumangal, and more Pranpati like Gopi. Both Krishna is my Pranpati. Pranpati and Pati, there is so much difference. Pati means husband, Pranpati means beloved, most beloved. He is telling three things, but actually in the end he will tell more Priyatam. There is only Aikantik more will be there. Because Vatsala and Sakha, they cannot be like that. Never. They don't know the glorification. What is that rasa? मयि भक्ति भूतानाम अमृतत्वाय कल्पते निष्पाद्यात् बहुत ही नाम Krishna has told to gopis in Kurukshetra. Bhakti Mai Bhutanam Amritvaya Kalpate. Bhakti, what bhakti? Sadhan bhakti and all other things. These are Amrita. If you will take and taste that Amrita bhakti, then we will never die, we will be eternal. And we can understand something transcendental. But here, where there is sneh, that sneh, where sneh? How high? In sadhan bhakti, which is like amrita, nectar, what is that? Bhav bhakti. No? It is like amrita. But then bhav bhakti, prem, sneh, that is sneh. Man pranati. So, if anyone has that kind of sneh, Krishna will be attracted. Mata more putra bhave karana bandhan. My mother can tied me in Vatsalya Ras, Vatsalya rope. By rope not, but by that Vatsalya mode. By Tadatma. In rope there is a Tadatma of Vatsalya. That is why that rope can do. But Sakha, Dar, by any rope they cannot tighten Krishna. And gopis, no need of rope anything. What thing? They will Lalita Vivaha like. They will do like Krishna Pitambar and by things. Krishna cannot untie. Anyone can tie, not can untie. So, I told at that time in Vyas Puja, Swamiji has come to sprinkle these things. Very beautiful. I glorified, and they told and preached that, oh, Narayan Maharaj has lessened Swamiji, and he has done offense in the lotus feet of Swami. Quite opposite. Now you can understand all this. Little. He is telling that I told in morning, मैंने सवेरे कहा था, Krishna is endless and deathless ocean of prem and rasa. No? And he tasted the essence of all the rasa. But his three desires were not. You know that three his desires. Radhaya pranaya mahima kirtisho va nayaiva va aswado jena thut madhurima kirtisho va madiya sokhan chaksha madanubhavata kirtisho vettilo va tatbhava dasamajani garvani. Though he is ocean of rasa, so Chaitanya Charitamrita is explaining that once any Shakti is asking to another, Kasmat Vrinde, oh Vrinde, from where you are coming? Why? Krishna is thinking himself that I am Purna Anandamay. मैं पूर्ण आनंदमय हूँ और मैं समस्त रसों का मूल हूँ. I am the ocean of all the rasas. But when I see Srimati Radhika, I become unmatta, not mad. Unmatta, mad persons, they have no intelligence to think that what is good and bad. Here, unmatta means in prem. He is immersed and totally forgotten him. At that time, Krishna will forget that I am Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he will try to take the fit dust of all people. So his heart will be dancing, his mind will be dancing, his throat will dance, his whole breath will dancing, everyone. So anyone is telling that, Kasmat Binde, oh Binde, from where you are coming? She told, Hare Palmula, I am coming from the lotus feet of Krishna. Oh, where is Kuto Asau? Where is? Oh, is Vrindavan. Where in Vrindavan? Kundaranya. Kundaranya means from Radha Kund. Krishna is there. Kumahakinte, what he is doing? Krishna. Oh, he is learning to dance. How to dance? Oh, he is Guru. Guru ka tan murti. Prati taru latang dik vidikshu spuranti. Oh, Srimati Radhika was ushering to Vrindavan Vrindavan. Oh, he is Siksha Guru of Krishna. Oh, your murti, your manifestation. How? All the trees, leaves are dancing as you dance. And seeing that Krishna is dancing, always having dancing. So here Krishna is telling that Radhika Prema Guru and I am Shishya Nat. Radhika Prema Guru, I am Shishya Nat. Anywhere else in Sanatana Goswami Shiksha or Rai Ramanand Sampad, Krishna has told himself that Gopis are my Sakhi. Gopis are my in this very chapter or आगे है, Gopis are my friend. Gopis are my friend. Even Gopis are my Guru. Gopis are my everything. Bangla Krishna is telling himself that they are my like Dashi. Sahaya. Sahaya means helper, assistant, helper. Guru, Bandhav, Bandhu. Prayasi. Prayasi means beloved. Gopika means Priya, Shishya. Priya also, and Shishya. Shishya means disciple, Guru and disciple both. In this world it is controversy. In this world it cannot be. That Shishya may be Guru and Guru may be Shishya. But we can see in the character of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. Sanatana Goswami has done that. Always Rupa Goswami honored him like his Gurudev. But Sanatana Goswami is telling somewhere in his explanation that as receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu through you are my Guru. So he is praying to Rupa Goswami that when I will have a love and affection like you do in the lotus feet of Chaitanya. So Krishna is telling that they are my Guru and at the same time they are my disciples also. Sakhi, Dasi, Gopika Janini Krishna Monervani. Gopika, everything. Jasoda cannot know all things. Nand Maharaj cannot know. Even Siddham, Subal, Madhumangal, highest top of Sakha, they cannot. But Gopi, everything. Why they do Maharaj? To please Krishna. Why they don't talk with Krishna? They abuse him only. Shei Preme. That Prem, Krishna is telling that the Prem is in me also and in Radhika also. Both. But the Prem in Srimati Radhika is more superior than Prem in myself. Because my Prem is Vishaya Jati. And Srimati Radhika Prem is of Asha. So, Krishna may see Radhika and he may be Unmatta, but he will not be mad. But Radhika had one. Prem by Chitya will come. We have never seen Prem by Chitya in Krishna. Dipon Mad we have never seen. We have not seen Madan and Modan, all these things in Krishna. But we have read in the Rupa Goswami books and these Chaitanya. All can be seen in Srimati Radhika. Okay? Happy. So the Prem in Radhika is supermasta prayojan. The love and affection and Prem in Krishna is also prayojan, but second pali. And the Prem in the Radhika, and that is most highest topic of prayojan. No? So in general, Krishna Prem is prayojan. But those who have done so much good association with Rasik and Bhajan, Rasik and Bhav, in the line of Sri Rupa Goswami, they will only want Padabjayostav vina paradashyameva nannat kadapi samaye kila devi jati shakhayas mama namastu nityam darshayate mama rasostu raso. I know this internal mood of my Gurudev. Sometimes I am so much fortunate to have this. Once I was walking with और my Gurudev. मैं अपने गुरु जी के साथ में चल रहा था. उस समय नवदीप का मंदिर बन रहा था. अभी केवल मंदिर थोड़ा सा बना था. Only some construction was going in our temple of Navdeep, Devananda Gaudama. Muni Maharaj, not at that time he was sannyasi, he was Muni Maharaj, Sanatan Maharaj, Prabhu, myself, 2 persons were there. And he went inside the temple and he told that in this temple, on the ये जो वेदी होगी जिस पर राधा कृष्ण बैठेंगे, there will be 3 steps. And the color of these steps will be different. He told that one will be of yellow, one will be red, and one will be of black. He told facing towards Muni Maharaj. He understood or not, I don't know. But I asked him that why 3 colors? Black, red and yellow, white. Then he became very great. He told, one thought, those are bending towards Krishna, black, and yellow who are bending towards Srimati Radhika, and one for them, and he could not tell anything. Then what was third? The dasis of Srimati Radhika, special dasis. So Swamiji was doing all these things, preaching and all, everything. But you know, I explained in Bejar, but Upadeshamrita, letter of instruction. Here he is very spasht roop mein, clearly he has written. There are two kinds of prem, sadhan, one Vaidhi means regulative, and other spontaneous. But clearly he will tell like this, no doubt. Anyone can read all, but they cannot understand if there is no sadhu sangha. So here, Krishna is telling himself, সেই প্রেমা রাধিকা হয়েন আশ্রয়, সেই প্রেমার আমি হই কেবল বিষয়. I am telling all these things only to fix our goal. Dasya prem you want? Shant prem you want? Shant also something, Rash. Shanta Rash. Why? There is a nishtha. That cannot be changed. But there is no special rush there. Rush, no mamata. Mamata, you know, possessiveness is mindless. Krishna is mine, or I am of Krishna. Nothing. Not so much very strong attachment. Never it can. A deer of Vrindavan may have this so much attachment to Krishna because he has permanent run-away with Krishna. But Sanak Sanatan Sanandan, they will sit and be in samadhi. If Krishna will come, they will not want to talk with them, and they will see that, oh, he should always be on samadhi. They cannot start. Because they know that Krishna has no appetite. He is not thirsty. He will not tired anyone anytime. There is no problem. Then how they can serve? Nahi kar sakte. Kintu dasya can serve. So here, Radhika and Prema, that I was telling. That Radhika is ashray of that Prema. Krishna is it. Vishaya jatiya sukh, amar ashwad, ama hoite koti gun ashray ashwad. I have prema. But the prema in Srimati Radhika is so high that it is lakh and crores times more higher than the prema in Krishna. That prema is prayojan, highest kind of prayojan in Radhika. Because Krishna's three desires are not fulfilled, but Radhika all has. Radhika is never to borrow anything. Radhika जी को कोई भी चीज मंगनी मांगने के लिए कोई चीज बाकी नहीं है. She is richest in everything. But Krishna has some desires not fulfilled. So he will have to beg, to borrow from Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika is qualified to bestow that. So Radhika Prem is highest topic of prayojan. Ashaya Jatiya Sukh Ama Mone Dhaya. I want to have a prem like Srimati Radhika, so that I can know how beautiful myself. How Madhurya, Venu Madhurya is how. What kind of Anand comes in serving Krishna, then I can know all. Otherwise, no. So, I am telling you that prayojan is now here clear. This should be object of anyone. So Chaitanya Charitamrita is fixing this goal of all jivas, that Radha Pran Prem is highest, topest object for anyone. It may be that there are lakhs and lakhs kinds of prayojan, not one kind of prayojan, lakhs and lakhs kinds of prayojan. It depends on the goal, what he wants. There are so many kinds of prayojan. So if you want to have a prem like Krishna, like Sridham, Madhumangal, like Hanuman, like Sita Devi, like others, and like Gopi, there are not one thing. So much difference. So Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, Srila Rupa Goswami telling that Krishna Premi is prayojan, but what class of prayojan? The Radhika has thought that Krishna, that prem is highest prayojan. How to achieve this? Then we will discuss. Gaur Premanande. So Swamiji has come to this to sprinkle this thing. So they could not understand my view, and they understood, okay, ulta of ulta. But I pray Swamiji that he should sprinkle his mercy to them also. In any birth they can have this. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. And we went to Dankhati, so many places. Govardhan thought that outwardly I have not given anything to them. Now he inspired the Panda of Govardhan. That I am giving remnant of Dankhati to you, and you should give it to Narayan Maharaj, and Narayan Maharaj should give to all. So this prasad here, I want to, that you should come by and by, not at a time, by and by, and those who will take, there should be.
Don't be. No. Line लगवा महाराज.
Line. In queue, please come in queue. Line.
Start.
First buy and then.
Indian lines. Can you control?
Where's the line start? That's what I want to know.
एक लेडीज की लाइन एक जेंट्स की लाइन.
Okay, wait.
Not pushing, not pushing. Not pushing. आपको मिल गया उठो. जब जाओगे ध्यान से आना. उठो उठो. Wait. No hurry. Everybody will get. Okay. Give chance. You don't have got to leave. Those who are rear party, let's wait. Don't try to cross anyone.
Okay.
Don't push. Wait. Have patience. जाओ खाने बेटा. Wait. Wait. Have patience. Only those who are on the front line.
Yes.
Hey, don't push. Wait. Those who are on the front line, then you can. But it's enough. No, because there's too much chance.
There you go. I can't get out. Let me go. Okay, go. Let me go. Yeah, we'll let you go.
Those who have got, go back. Don't make crowd. Don't push. तुम पीछे दिखे चले आसले सकल के ठेठे से ना.
Prince Anawat type.
जाओ निकल जाओ. Come back. Don't put your hand in the back. Get out. I'm just trying to take it.
Do it again. Wait. This is the good mood. Waiting in the back.
तुम्हें हमारा